Welcome on my YouTube channel Post Ads Pakistan. Before start today video, I request to all of viewers to please like my videos and subscribe my channel. Let's come to our today video.
Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back my YouTube channel Post Ads Pakistan. So friends, I am talking about SEO and social media marketing services. So first of all, subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. So I am talking about SEO and social media marketing. So friends, I am search the Google. So first, best social media marketing system. I am touch this screen. So SMM, this is called social media marketing. So social media marketing management, social media marketing. Uh, so so does your business have the words of confidence it needs from social media networks? Build build your build your network, build your brand's awareness across the web and create meaningful. So continue continue with your customer and followers through social media marketing. SMM, through internet marketing agency, provides social media marketing for small business enterprises and multiple location companions. No matter if you own a store of or a fraudness 500 company or social media marketing experts can assist agency can, can assist you with your companion. Partner with us and let's our social media marketing agency boosts your brand's visibility and integrity. So this is called social media marketing. I am i am what is the SEO social media marketing. SEO and social media SEO strategy considers which keyword provides the most value along with other tools such as formatting and link building. Social media marketing is more about building online relationships and with your buyer personas, creating brands awareness along the way. Social what is the social media marketing? What matters most? Rocket SEO. So SEO is social media marketing, providing your target audience with the information the needs they need and want. SEO strategy consider which keywords provide the most value along with other tools such as formatting and link building. Social media marketing is more about building online relationships and with your buyer personas, creating brand awareness along the way. In turn, you direct more traffic to your website due to an established social personas built via community building or by utilizing paid ads on the individual platform. So this website asks cookies, yes, no is I am no option. So this website not accepted. So return. So now your target buyer personas are can successfully direct your SEO strategy as well as your social media marketing efforts. Where these two marketing tools differs is in way. So this website is not eligible. So I am so during the planning strategies for your SEO strategy you will be researching. You will be researching and in defining buyer personas. So for your SEO strategy you will be researching uh, buyer personas how will be most interested in what you have to offer based on collect data. From there you cater your strategy to them specific with search engine uh, again queries in mind. When it comes to where to focus your attention in social media marketing, your research methods start with the platform themselves. By analyzing the de- dem- demographic demographic of each platform, you can identify how use which platform more and how is interest interacting. From there, you then focus your attention and budget on those. In other words, use social media to look at target audience. So this is this was social media marketing and SEO. If you if you want, if you like the video, so subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. Okay, bye.
Thanks for watching video, but before to go, please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.